So much going on today, comic relief, but also happy St Patrick's Day to the Sineads and Teresas and Patricks among us. I tried my best, that's it, we're done. But most important is a very important day on Sunday, which is Mother's Day. Did you remember that? And year 3, as usual, as is traditionally in 3, are going to give the most beautiful and tear-jerking assembly in the world. So I'm looking forward to this whenever you're ready.
Welcome to our assembly. Mother's Day on Mothering Sunday is a time when children pay respect to their parents. Children often give their mothers a gift and a card. Mother's Day is always on a Sunday. It is also known as Mothering Sunday. In Britain, it is always the 4th Sunday of Lent. No one is absolutely certain exactly how the idea of Lent is made about. However, about 400 years ago, they made a point of this to Numbers golden boys in service may be servants, but only allowed one day to visit their family each year. This was usually Mothering Sunday. The modern celebration of Mother's Day began in America in the early 20th century. On Mother's Day, many churches give the children a little bunch of spring flowers to give to their mothers as a thank you for all their care and love throughout the year. Whilst Mother's Day is celebrated on different days and for different reasons in many countries, the central idea of honouring your mother is universal.
Jobs of a mum.
A mum is a chef. A mum is a housekeeper. La la la.
A mum is a nurse. There, all better now.
A mum is the first teacher. Mum, down, 1, 2, 3. A mum is a party planner. Happy birthday! A mum is a chauffeur. Taxi! A mum is a hostess. Drinks up kids who want snacks. A mum is a secretary. Hello, Eddie, you're going to be in school today soon. My mum is a photographer. Come on, everyone, smile. Cheese. A mum is a cheerleader. 2.6x with wheels and theatres. A mum is a referee. Stop arguing! A mum is a magician. Ta-da, here they are. A mum is an alarm clock. Get out of bed now! A mum is a dancer. I'm not made of anymore. A mum is an events organiser. Where should we go up now? A mum is a lollipop lady. Let's find a safe place to cross. A mum is a counsellor. Come on, here's some you know. A mum is a mythic little fair person. Easy peasy. A mum is a traveller. Where shall we go on holiday this year? A mum is an internet safety monitor. Get off that! It's bedtime! A mum is a weather reporter. Outside is raining, don't forget your umbrella.
the rest of the school, we might hear you as well join in, because you know it too.
Mom, if it's alright with you, Mom, here's a little song for you, Mom. It's really just a way to express, Mom, especially today, Mom. This song is just a way, Mom, just a little way to say you're the best. I know I don't say it enough, I'm really grateful for your love. In my heart, I know it's true, I'm really, really thankful for you, Mom, I'm really, really thankful for you. Mom, you do so many things, Mom, to help me run my wings, Mom. Thanks for everything that you do, Mom. So here's the deal, Mom. Yeah, here's the real Mom. The real way I feel I love you. I know I don't say it enough, I'm really grateful for your love. In your heart, you know it's true, I'm really, really thankful for you, Mom. I'm really, really thankful for you. Students always ending, but I'm hoping that it's ending. You'll smile for a while, cause that's all I've been intended. The word of the beginning of the times that it's getting is the image to extend in my heart to understand. Mom, you're always there for me, Mom. You always care for me, Mom. You're always fair to me, more or less, Mom. I know every day, Mom. You go out your way, Mom, to make sure I'm okay. You're the best. I know I don't say it enough, I'm really grateful for your love. In your heart, you know it's true, I'm really, really thankful for you, Mom. I'm really, really thankful for you. I know I don't say it enough, I'm really grateful for your love. In your heart, you know it's true, I'm really, really thankful for you, Mom. I'm really, really thankful for you. I'm really, really thankful for you, Mom. I'm really, really thankful for you.
Oh gosh, thank goodness you didn't stop after that video. Oh, you're all a mess, aren't you?
Thank you.
Not there. But it's just universal, isn't it? And I was just thinking about my mum at home, who, by the way, has got a birthday.